My next guest says the prediction market business presents a lot of upside for the fintech space, as Robinhood and Coinbase users are 9 times more likely to participate than non-users. Let's bring in Mizuho's Dan Dolev. Welcome to you.
Thank you.
It's been a dizzying moment here. So can we back up and talk about the series of events? What has led to, a Robinhood app now allowing me to make NFL parlay bets in competition? Like, has this been a regulatory shift, or what's going on here?
Well, obviously, with the new administration, everything is easier when it comes to crypto and gambling and betting. But I think what changed is that the realization it's the same people. Like, the survey that we did shows you that we did a comprehensive survey of users, and it shows you that it's exactly the same people. They're betting on sports here, and they're buying equities and crypto here. So why not just give them a one-stop shop?
Well, because they're two different things. And look, I love the prediction markets. They're so much fun. But sports betting is different from that. So it seems a little bit like, does it matter and I love how I'm asking you now, like the public choice point of view. Like, do we want all of these things lumped together? It's like, go, do 0-day options on this, and then do a prediction market on that, and then place a sports bet over here. Like, it's almost like we're equalizing all of them. That offends me as someone who takes the art of investing more seriously. Welcome
to Gen Z. They do everything together. I think it's you're making the best point, right? Which is, are we circling too close to the sun here? And eventually, will we regret it? I mean, so far, no, but I agree with you. Like, Gen Zs, they do things differently. So they view buying crypto as investing. So why not bet on sports as investing? So I think it's just catering to demand.
Or maybe I might say, and then I promise we'll get into the picks here, that putting all of these things together makes them seem like they're similar choices, when one of them, if done properly, builds wealth over time, and the others have the potential to destroy it. And, prediction markets is just fun. That's fine. Sports betting is different. You're in the gambling world now. It comes with a lot of risks. Look at what we've seen from the data from this rollout now. So it's just that where it's like, if there's not going to be any guardrails, and is it going to be a risk if regulators change their mind in a few more years and say, you know what, actually these things should be separated out?
No, I agree with you. I mean, that's the point, right? Like, is this going to be too much fun? Is there going to be too much of it, sports betting? But right now, it's the same people, and I think what Vlad is doing, and even Coinbase, what they're doing is really smart, because they're saying, hey, all these people are betting here on sports, and they're betting here on crypto and equities. Let me just give them everything. And that's the power. We actually took up our numbers for Robinhood by like 6-7% for next year, because it's massively accretive.
On the launch of, we'll just call it sports betting on the platform.
Correct.
So talk through more of the stock implications across the fintech space now as you see them.
And just in general for
there's Coinbase.
Coinbase is doing that too. So the interesting thing that came out of the survey, and this is an important nuance, they have their event today, so I'm going to be tuning into that. 37% of the average user, basically, is 37% likely, just as likely, let's call it, to sell crypto than putting in fresh money. So there could be an interesting kind of like exchange here between I'm going to do sports betting on Coinbase. Self-cannibalizing. So, and then we have to worry about the take rates, because the take rates on Coinbase on crypto are very high. Are the take rates on, those betting or prediction markets are going to be as dilutive to the revenue? So we're a little bit more cautious about Coinbase's sort of entrance into this world. For Robinhood, it's like pure upside.